I'm talking about how you can find a particular video on a channel. For example, if you want to find a particular video on a given channel, is you come to the channel. This is the channel. This is my. Then you come here. Look at the search bar here. You click on this search bar. For instance, you are looking for how to remove a background. You come and write it here. How to remove a background in CorelDRAW. Press enter. This is where you search for it on a particular channel if you want. So we have different videos here that involve CorelDRAW. So but basically the first keyword here is trying to tell this is how to remove a background, this one, and this is the next one which we got 2.8k views from this particular video. So this is just a very simple way for you to find. It doesn't necessarily mean this is on this channel. For example, if you are going to other channels as well, let's say for instance you see African Pro Graphics here. This is a very good friend of mine. So if you want to find a particular video here, you can also search. This is it. Not this particular search bar up here. This one is for the main YouTube search engine. Then why this one is for that particular channel, whether that person has a particular video on that. So don't conflict between the two. Thank you, and please, if you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video.